Again, thank you very much, Canary, for that question. I think today has been well spent, starting in the morning. Of course, if you've been following introduction of MPs from other parts of the region who have come to Gulu, and then there's a debate on infrastructure of the northern part of the region, West Nile sub-region, Acholi sub-region, Lao sub-region. A bit of Karamoja, not quite much, because the presentation was done by the Minister of State for Northern Uganda, Dr. Kenneth Dumona, but that did not have a bit of Karamoja region. Joining us this evening is Nakut Faith, Member of Parliament woman for Napak District. Again, what has been your observation of the day? Do you feel satisfied with how the day went, especially for Karamoja region?
First of all, I wish to congratulate the Speaker of Parliament for standing up foot and ensuring that this regional sitting happens. That is a plus. And assessing today, being the first day, there were many things that went right. There were those that did not go very well. For instance, we had two reports, committee reports. One of them was the committee report on infrastructure that was being debated. The thing that went well with that report is the fact that there was emphasis from the debate on critical infrastructure like the bridges, the bridge in Pakwach, the bridge in Karuma, and the infrastructure, the road connecting Nebi, Goli up to the border. I think there is no better day that these issues have been brought out well, like they were brought out today. So in terms of achieving on the issue of infrastructure for those regions, for the sub-regions I've mentioned, where those places are, they were well covered. The other thing that did not go well, of course, is the fact that the infrastructure committee report did not capture Karamoja. And yet we are here as four sub-regions, the region it represents to capture the issues of the four sub-regions. We know that when the regional sitting moves to the eastern, western, or to Masaka, the issues of Karamoja will not be addressed. So we expect that in this region, in this regional sitting in Gulu, there will be a balance. Good enough, the Speaker agreed that going forward, the debate will be balanced so that no one sub-region dominates the other. Of course, the thing that went wrong today, that we did not do right because it's our day one, is the fact that we ended the day without a resolution that we can say a parliament made a resolution on this matter, because the committee report for infrastructure will be concluded tomorrow, since the issues of Karamoja must be captured. And then the committee report for agriculture did not capture the real agriculture, the issues in agriculture. Instead, it captured issues on water, which are a mandate of another committee. I think we spent the better part of the day allowing members from the regions to speak, and much of the time we spent on introduction, allowing our members to speak.
I also want to just pick your mind just in 30 seconds or so. It is seemingly that you members of parliament from this region also didn't caucus enough. You didn't talk. Because even when these issues were presented, we thought that you could sit as members from Karamoja, from Acholi sub-region, Lan, West Nile, and harmonize some of these issues. Because even parliament directed you again, as caucuses from this region, to go and sit and harmonize some positions.
We did caucus, but we cannot caucus as committees. We caucus as regional groups, Karamoja group, Acholi group. We also had 2 meetings of the entire works group of the 4 sub-regions. We had those meetings. But we cannot control what a committee brings. And a debate today, like the one that happened today, happens on the committee report. We didn't know that the committee was going to miss out certain parts, critical parts.
Okay. Just lastly.
The caucusing continues. Today we had our caucus again. We will present the issues tomorrow. It's only my hope that tomorrow we will have enough time to present the issues of the region so that this regional sittings is meaningful to our people.
Just lastly on that one, in 30 seconds, what is your expectation tomorrow? Because the president also comes tomorrow.
My expectation tomorrow is that there will be times allotted to each region to address, to speak out on some issues. I think that given that today Karamoja was cheated, we hope that tomorrow we'll take a better portion of the time. I also hope that the president will not come early morning so that the issues captured in the order paper, the motions that are there, the petitions that are there, that can be handled before the president comes. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Honorable Faith, for speaking to us this evening. And we hope that the issue of Karamoja, again, will be handled tomorrow.
We hope so.
Thank you.
So.
Canary, again, that was the...
Karamoja can ask for a region.
Okay. You had some of the things, resolutions were not made today quite, but we hope that tomorrow it will. But the hope is that the president also will come and try to answer some of the issues that will be raised tomorrow morning, and also issues that were raised today. Mind you, some of the issues were in the budget, in the previous budget, even in this budget. We hope that this parliamentary sitting will have an impact in these regions as well. Canary.